Stone Code from 9th grade.
Good morning to all. I am Ashley studying in 9th grade. Today's standard homework spot. Homework makes the student disciplined, systematic and proficient. It enhances the learning process, assisting in better grade and the competence. Again, homework put additional pressures on students and strips away their playtime. It prolongs their regular study hours endlessly. Thank you.
Debate from 8th grade.
Good morning to all. I am Dia from class 8. Good morning to all. I am Jefina from same class. Good morning to all. I am Rishika from same.
Today, debate about e-book versus printed books.
I am going to tell about e-books. I am going to tell about printed books. E-books are cost-effective and books of all genders can be easily accessed from the internet. Printed books can save us from the health hazard. For flexibility makes reading easier, uncountable books can be stored in a single device, and most important, it can save trees. Printed books are not merely about reading; they are an experience. The joy of flipping pages and keeping bookmarks cannot be experienced in an e-book. Conclusion: both versions complete each other based on the why and where is being used.
Story relay from 7th Pacific.
Thrilling morning to all. My name is John Christian Bilgram from 7th Pacific.
I am Louis. I am studying in same class.
Thrilling morning to all. My name is Baptist Predina. I am also same class.
Thrilling morning to all. I am Harshan from same class.
Today we will be presenting a story relay with each other having different cards. Today my card is Hungry Fox. The hungry fox once looked everywhere for food. He couldn't find anything until he stumbled upon a farmer's wall.
Today I got grape card. He saw a big purple juicy grapes. All the grapes are looking delicious for the hungry fox.
Today my card is as high as. He jumped as possible to reach the grapes. No matter how many times he tried, he failed.
Today I got the card finally and so. Finally he gave up and went home, thinking to himself that the grapes must have been sour anyway.
Moral of the story is nothing comes easy. Don't hate what you can't have. Thank you.
Tongue twisted from 6th King David.
Good morning to all. My name is Shetty. I am studying 6th standard India. Today's tongue twister: red book, blue book, red book, blue book, red book, blue book. Thank you.
Idioms and meanings from 5th APJ Kalam.
Good morning to all. I am Harini from 5th APJ Kalam. Idiom: ant in your pants, meaning restlessness. Thank you.
Proverbs and meanings from 4th Edo.
Good morning to all. I am Mahana from class 4th Edo. Proverbs and meanings. Proverb: a watch pot never boils, meaning if you wait for something to happen, it takes longer time. Thank you.
Meanings and synonyms from 3rd Diamond.
Good morning to all. My name is Alva. Third diamond. Vocabulary of the day: handy, ready to hand. Synonyms: expert, skillful, hand, and skilled. Thank you.
Opposites and antonyms from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning to all. My name is Raymond Richi. I am studying 2nd standard Jupiter. Happy, sad, good, bad. Thank you.
Rhyming words from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Susan. I am studying 1st standard America. Rhyming words: fan, man, pan. Thank you.
Phonics of the day from UKG Penguins.
Good morning to all. My name is Saishandi. I am studying UKG Penguin. F for example, F for fish.
F for frog. F for frog. Thank you.
Object reading and show and tell from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all. My name is Raul Mohammed. I study